to Good Morning Boss. Mga boss, alamin naman natin ang mga tagpo sa World Food Expo. Lahat ng yan sa ASEAN TV.
Para makasabay ang Pilipinas at ang iba pang bansa sa patuloy na pag-usbong ng food service industry, isinagawa ngayong Agosto ang World Food Expo 2015 sa Pasay City.
World Food Expo, or WOFEX as we would like to call it, is the biggest and most effective food show in the country today. We've been on for 15 years and we have never really stopped growing. So for the food service industry, this is where you find everything about food.
Highlight sa nasabing expo ang food exhibition, free seminars at culinary competitions.
The culinary industry is growing very rapidly. As you can see with this exhibition, it's big. This is our 6th year doing the PCC, and it's our biggest so far. We have over 1,000 competitors. So it's been growing every year, and we hope it continues that way. The industry as well is growing. The equipment, the produce, the ingredients are all getting much better.
Ang World Food Expo ay nilahukan ng exhibitors mula sa iba't ibang mga bansa, kabilang na ang ilang ASEAN member states.
This is really an international exposition. So apart from the global brands that you see around us, marami rin kaming country pavilions from the USA, Malaysia, Vietnam, and every other countries. We also would like to feature what's locally homegrown, such as over here, which is Arc of Taste, na we would like to be able to promote both local and foreign in the industry. Yeah.
Asahang malaki ang maiaambag nito sa pagsisimula ng ASEAN integration ngayong taon.
Pagka nag-open up ang ASEAN integration, it's an open the playing field will be open, no? So labanan na yan ng walang masyadong borders. So several things yan. We talk about the product. Our products must be globally competitive. And when we are exposed to international world standards like this, the local food industry is able to learn. Okay, secondly, the professional also can cross boundaries. Pwede na magtrabaho sa Thailand, yung taga Malaysia, pwede na magtrabaho sa Pilipinas. So competition will actually be greater. So that's why we also have education. We would like to level up the Filipino food service professional para hindi naman sila mapag-iwanan.
Ang pagtatanghal na ito ay isa ring pagkakataon kung saan ating may papakita sa iba't ibang bansa ang ating mga produkto at talento.